Hi, this is Royden, the project manager from DBP Solutions. If your customer places order to your items that you have enough stock in your warehouse right now, but the request delivery date is 2 months later, how can you make sure the inventory of those order items can be fulfilled in 2 months later? And what if your customers require you to reserve your stock on hand to secure their order forecast? That is right. You need a stock booking system. Now, let's see how easy to use DBP Trade to manage your stock bookings. Now, let me show you how to do stock booking for your sales orders. This is our new sales order PF000379. And here, the requested delivery date of all three order items are in March 2012. The current month is January in 2012, and March is 2 months away from now. First, let's check the stock status by clicking this View Stock Status button. This is our stock status screen. From here, you can see the outstanding quantity of all these three order items are same as their original order quantity here, because they haven't been shipped. And also, the planned balance quantity are also same as the original order quantity, because we haven't created any booking records for these order items yet. To the right hand side, you can see three groups of columns: stock on hand, purchase balance, and production balance. And in each group there are two columns: booking delivery balance and usable balance. To see whether you can do booking for the order items, you just need to see the usable balance, because the booking delivery balance column is the quantity has been booked by other orders. So, as stock on hand, if you add up the quantity from these two columns, you will see the actual stock on hand quantity. The purchase balance here refers to those purchase orders issued to suppliers but not yet received in our warehouse. And the production balance refers to those production orders are in progress and not yet finished. You can book all three types of usable balance quantity here. Now, let me show you how to book the stock on hand for the order item at the first row. The planned balance of the first row is 200, and the usable balance in stock on hand is 1000, meaning there is enough quantity to proceed this booking. To proceed booking for just current row, simply click the triangle button. If you prefer system choosing the stock based on inventory account method, first in first out or last in first out that you have predefined it in system preferences, choose one. Or you can choose to choose the stock manually. I will choose one to proceed next. And since I want to book all 200 pieces, so I don't need to make change here, simply click submit to proceed next. And now, the booking has been created by system successfully. System has based on first in first out to book the stocks, and this is the stock booking item table. From here, you can see the quantity 200 has been split into two booking items. The first row has 50 pieces, which is coming from a stock adjustment SA000336, and the second row has 150 pieces, which is coming from a good receipt note GR0010H1, and we can click the source master ID here to open it if we want to see the details. Let's close this window and go back to the original stock status windows. In the first row, you can see the planned balance is now 0, and the ready to ship quantity is 200, meaning the stock required by this order is booked and ready to ship anytime from now. Now, let me show you how to do the bookings for the order items in second and third row. As you can see, the usable balance in stock on hand of the second row has only 10 pieces. It is not enough to fulfill the planned balance 300 pieces. However, the requested delivery date from customer is 2 months later, and I can see the usable balance in purchase balance has 2,000 pieces. So let's click the usable balance field to see the details. From this PO item table, we can see there are 2 purchase orders pending to receive. The earliest delivery date among them is February 28th in 2012, which is early enough to cope with the delivery date requested from customer. Also, the usable balance is enough too. Okay, we can close the window and proceed the booking. If we have chances to do booking for many order items, we don't want to book our order items one by one. It definitely would be nice to have a system that's booking for multiple order items at once. Let me show you how. First, we need to enter booking quantity in these columns. To copy the planned balance quantity of all rows to the booking quantity columns, simply click the column name. But I don't want to book PO balance for the order item in the third row because it has enough stock on hand, so I need to move the PO booking quantity to stock booking quantity. And now, after you have finished entering the booking quantity, we simply click the Create Bookings for above selected records button. And click Yes. And now, the booking records have been created successfully. Now, the field planned balance of all 3 order items are 0. And in the second row, we can see the book quantity is not ready to ship because the PO quantity has not been received yet. Now, let's explore how to use DBP Trade to do stock bookings for customer order forecast. This is our main menu. Since our customers won't issue official PO for those order forecasts, so we cannot proceed stock bookings from sales orders. We need to create a new independent stock booking order from here. Let's click the New button from here to begin. This is the form view of stock bookings. First, we need to enter the description. Usually, we would enter the reasons for this booking. And then enter the expiry date, our system can auto-release stock booking according to this expiry date. If our customer does not place order to us according to this forecast, and we forget to release the booking, the system will release this booking automatically and notice us by email. Next, we will select the item for booking and enter the booking quantity. First, we click the New Portal button here, and a new row has been generated by the system. And now, we can enter the item number manually or click the magnifying glass here to search and select an item. So I will choose this one. We need to book 400 pieces for this item, before entering the booking quantity, it is the best to check the stock status first. Simply click this button to open the item master in new window, and from here we can see the usable balance is enough, so we can close the window and go back to original stock booking window. Next, we will choose the source type. It allows us to book your stock on hand, inventory, or purchase order, or production order. So let's choose inventory because we have just checked the stock on hand. Then we click this button to search and select the inventory record for this booking. So let me see. The first row has enough quantity for me to proceed, so I'll choose this one. And I'll enter 400 pieces here. And now the entry of this booking is done. By the time our customer has issued purchase order for this order forecast to us, before we enter the new sales order, we just need to go back to this screen and check the release checkbox here. Then we can proceed delivery immediately or create new booking under the new sales order. You can also check the release checkbox at any time if you want to cancel this booking, or you can wait until the expiry date. The system will automatically release this booking. If you want to learn more about the feature showing in this video clip, or if you want to discover more features of DBP Trade, please contact us or visit our website for more video clips.